Hey y'all, welcome back. It is me, Miss Mighty Incredible. For those of you who are new, show me some love. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Alright, for my old time subbies, y'all know I love y'all and I appreciate y'all. So today I am going to wash my hair. As you can see, I have it in 4 sections, 2 in the front, 2 in the back, alright? And I'm gonna not use shampoo to wash my hair. Nope, I'm not using shampoo to wash it. I am going to use Bragg's apple cider vinegar. That's right, y'all. So normally once a month, I use the apple cider vinegar to rinse my hair from, product buildup, get all that gunk out of this, mess right here. And what I do is I put half apple cider vinegar and half water in my famous water bottle. Alright, so let's jump right into this video. apple cider vinegar. I started finger detangling this already. Only got this section right here, and as you can see, my hair is so fluffy, bouncy, and it's nothing in my hair. I just rinsed out the apple cider vinegar and that was it. And right now I'm just separating my hair, but finger detangling it. And that's pretty much it that I'm doing right now, y'all. And my hair so soft, manageable, squeaky clean, because that apple cider vinegar really did a great job at clarifying my hair. I left it in my hair for maybe about 15-20 minutes, and I rinsed it out with warm water while I was in the shower. So this is everything, y'all. I really love doing apple cider vinegar rinse. Like I said, I do it once a month just to clarify my hair and give my hair, you know, a reset, which is good. But yeah, look at, you see my hair look nice, healthy, shiny. Look at all this volume, y'all. All this volume. And yeah, that's everything. Apple cider vinegar rinse, y'all. Y'all needs to try it. It is the bomb.com. So let me know in the comment section below if you ever tried doing an apple cider vinegar rinse, and let me know if you didn't but you are willing to try it. And you know, as always, love, peace, hugs and kisses. I'll talk to you next time. Boo. Bye.